Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter by O. So here also, what is obtuse angle triangle? One angle should be more than 90 degree, correct? So in the middle of the page, we draw one base and one angle should be more than 90 degree. So I am taking here 120 degree. Okay, so 120 degree I am taking. And join. This is obtuse angle triangle. Mark it as LMN. Any measure you can take. Now altitudes for all the sides. So first I am taking set square, and you know the base and perpendicular height. So base should be on the line. So if I am taking, see here we have three sides. So if I am taking one side MN, so on the MN I am keeping my set square. But what is the condition to draw height or altitude? See what the perpendicular distance to opposite side. See, this is the line and opposite vertex is L. Opposite vertex of MN is L. So after keeping set square, we should adjust the set square such that this perpendicular side should touch opposite vertex. So here opposite vertex is L. So if we drag like this, till here we can drag, and again just continue this. Just continue and it should touch, and don't disturb here, and perpendicular distance should touch L. See, it meets at L, correct? Base of the set square should set on MN and drag the set square like this. See here. Now here the distance, it should be on the line MN. Now draw this. This is the height, perpendicular distance I am drawing. But what about here? Here no line given, so we can drag this MN. Just extend the line MN. You can use scale or just drag outside, and you can mark like this. So this is the perpendicular distance from MN to L. So LP is the altitude to side MN to L. Now after taking MN, now I am taking side LM. If you are taking side LM, what is the opposite vertex here? N. So keep the base of the set square on LM and drag. This perpendicular side should touch N, opposite vertex. So how it's possible? Just drag. See, it goes outside, correct? So better whatever line we are considering to keep our set square, just extend the line, extend the side of the triangle. Okay, so now you keep the set square and drag till where? Till perpendicular height of the set square should meet N. See now here, this is the perpendicular distance. So this is Q. Now side MN over, side LM over. Now I am taking side LN. Keep the base of the set square on LN and opposite vertex is M. So here perpendicular height of set square should meet M. This is simple. See, this should not disturb line, and see, this is the altitude. So now here it is asked in the question, draw the orthocenter. Orthocenter means whatever three altitudes should meet. See, the first altitude is this LP, second altitude is LM, third altitude is LQ. So this all three altitudes should meet in one point, meet at one point. That point is called orthocenter, that is O. So here in concurrence point we are drawing. How to draw? Just extend whatever altitude LP, keep the scale and extend it. Next, whatever MR is the another altitude, so set the scale to R to M and just extend the altitude. Similarly, NQ is one more altitude, set the scale to N to Q and N to Q, just extend it. So all three altitudes meet at one point, correct? And this point is the orthocenter or O.